We are going to show you how to attach your work from the code.org website into one of the Google classes. Right, so we're going to do lesson 7. To open lesson 7, I want you to click View Assignment. This will open the page where you have to turn in your work. From here, you go to the code website. So if I click on this link, it's going to open up the lesson here. And now I'm going to do the lesson. So I have to help Scrat get across the slippery ice. So I want him to go east and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to use a repeat block. And he's going to go east 5 times. Right, nice and easy for the young children. And now what I can do is I can take a picture of what I have done. So I'm going to replay it. My solution is still here. And now I'm going to click on this button at the top called Save to Google Drive. This is a Google extension. And this is already connected to my school network account. And this is automatically in my Google Drive. Right, so I have taken a screenshot. I run it again. It completes the puzzle. And I continue to the next stage. I'm going to take a shortcut and I'm going to save to Google Drive. And that's done. And I can run. Of course, if I made a mistake, I could just save a new picture to Google Drive. What we don't want is we don't want you to save this page to Google Drive unless you're showing us your code, in which case you could save this to Google Drive. And now we have reached the lesson extras. Here we are, here's the lesson. Now I want to add or create, but I have to get these things in my drive first. I'm going to click on the Add or Create button, choose Google Drive. And in my Google Drive, under Recent, I will have all the screenshots. Select the first one, press the Shift key, select the last one, and it will select all of the screenshots in between. Click the Add button, and it will then upload all of those attachments. Perfect. Check which ones you want to submit. If there's one that you don't want to submit, you can just remove it by clicking on the cross. When you're ready, hit the Turn In button. Confirm that those are the pictures you want to attach. And you are done. You have successfully turned in your assignment with evidence of what you've done. Congratulations.